Good morning, Santa here. So yesterday was considered chocolate day. 43 recipes. However, I'm not that particular person who did those is something a lot like brownness. So, however, I know people got stuff that they create in the cake stuff, and there was a lot of probably people create like a dirt stain, and they made the duck and hands stuff cake that other than that there's a lot recipes people probably and those into, and they decided make it, but I know the teacher they just didn't do soccer day and just lay back. Right, so there been some loud noises. They're crickets making their noises at the midsummer year. This year, and the now they're look at their legs back a lot. So it's a film who doing that, and so usually sometimes a cricket will find its way to the house and stuff that well, that hasn't occurred a lot now, and so there's been a lot of noises outside the patio. So that's today's film of the day. We took that to San President Jr. See you.